Here we are. Richard's come and got it. Got all the stuff in the bin. Done a great job. Thank you very much. Up it comes. We're here with Richard from KI Skip Bins, and he's taken all my rubbish away. Thank you very much, Richard. And how much? So you're looking at about $300 for a skip?
Yeah, 300, and then depends how, like, tyres are a bit extra.
Right. And you do try and recycle it, so you'll pull the tyres out.
Yep.
And the metal and the cardboard, so that'll go to different places. And then you were saying that you like to, like, if someone puts a bike in there or something.
Yeah, we try and rehome it.
For it.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So yeah, 300 for Kingscote, and if we have to sort it, then it's really messy. It takes a bit more. There's a bit more cost on that. But,
right.
Yeah.
And interesting about Kangaroo Island, all the rubbish goes off island, doesn't it? Really? We've got no tip here. It has to be sorted, and then the bad stuff or whatever, the actual rubbish gets taken off on the ferry.
Yep.
And the rest gets So, all right, Richard from KI Skip Bins. Thank you very much.
No worries, Sam.
See you next time.
Okay. See ya.